Can niacinamide really transform your skin? We're about to find out. In today's episode, we'll be reviewing 5 popular products that contain the active ingredient niacinamide. We talk about niacinamide a lot on this channel, but if you're new here, niacinamide is a powerful skincare ingredient that can help brighten, hydrate, and protect your skin. So we'll put 5 products containing niacinamide to the test to see if they live up to the hype. We're sharing our honest opinions on each product, including the pros and cons and how they work for different skin types. We'll also take a look at the prices to see what products fit within your budget and which are worth the splurge. Whether you're a niacinamide newbie or a seasoned pro, this episode's for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of niacinamide. Niacinamide is a water-soluble form of vitamin B3. It's one of the most versatile ingredients out there, making it a powerhouse you're gonna want in your skincare routine. The amount of skincare issues it helps solve is truly impressive. One of the problems we've already hinted at is dry skin. Nobody wants dry or flaky skin, but thankfully niacinamide moisturizes and strengthens our skin's barrier function, so our skin can stay hydrated and happier for longer. Another big problem niacinamide helps us with is aging. There's no getting around aging, but we can prevent and delay some of its effects. By boosting your collagen production, niacinamide helps you look fresh and dewy, kicking those fine lines and wrinkles to the curb. In the same lane as aging is hyperpigmentation. Whether it's from sun damage, acne scars, or hormonal responses, hyperpigmentation is a big part of being alive and hanging out under the sun. Chances are we'll all experience it at some point. But by regulating our skin's melanin production, niacinamide helps keep our skin evenly toned. Niacinamide can also help shrink the appearance of pores while reducing inflammation and regulating our sebum production. Sebum is an oily substance that our glands naturally produce to help protect our skin's surface. But sometimes we end up producing too much, which can actually lead to oily or acne-prone skin. Using products with niacinamide can help clear up your acne caused by too much sebum production. All in all, niacinamide is ready to tackle most any skin problem we might face. So what exactly makes it so great? What does it do at the cellular level? For starters, it's a cellular energy booster. It helps convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy that our cells can use. This increased energy leads to better cell turnover, which means healthier, more radiant skin. Niacinamide is also an essential component in the production of 2 vital coenzymes, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and its phosphated version NADP+. I promise I won't get too technical here, but you're going to want to know because it plays a major role in your skin. NAD and NADP production play a big role in cellular repair and antioxidant defense. They protect our skin from damage and promote healing when we need it. By incorporating niacinamide into your skincare routine, you're essentially equipping your skin with a powerful defense mechanism. Another great function is they stimulate ceramide synthesis. Ceramides are lipids or fats that are naturally present in our skin's outer layer. They help maintain the skin's barrier function, keeping moisture in and irritants out. The barrier not only prevents moisture loss, but also shields your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV damage. It's also really good at getting deep into our skin. One of the challenges we always face when it comes to skincare is getting the ingredients to penetrate deeply enough to work their magic. Thankfully, niacinamide is a relatively small molecule, allowing it to easily penetrate the skin's outer layers. This makes sure all the wonderful benefits are right there where they're needed most, at the cellular level. Last but not least, niacinamide is a team player. It works cohesively alongside other skincare ingredients, making your routine even more effective. For example, when combined with retinol, niacinamide can help to reduce the potential for irritation that some people experience with retinoids. Similarly, it complements the effects of antioxidants like vitamin C, providing an extra layer of protection against unstable molecules. The science behind niacinamide is truly impressive, making it a must-have ingredient for anyone seeking healthier, more radiant skin. Now enough of the science, let's get into the niacinamide products that you should be using. Now, when it comes to finding niacinamide in skincare products, you have a ton of options. You can find it in serums, moisturizers, toners, or even cleansers. So let's get into reviewing some of these products and seeing if they're right for you. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, Rhodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer is a top choice. It helps strengthen your skin's natural barrier and prevent water loss, which will leave your skin feeling plump and hydrated. If you have oily skin though, I would go for a different product that helps with oiliness. Next, we have the Vitamins and C Beauty Blue Sea Kale Serum. This is going to be what you want if you have oily or combination skin. It helps control oil production, minimize pores, and it works to smooth your skin's texture. But if you've got skin that's on the drier side, you'll probably want to pass on this one. If I had to describe this product in one word, it would be versatile. This Allies the Skin prebiotic and niacinamide pore refining booster is probably one of the most versatile options on this list because it works with all skin types. This is great for refining pores and brightening dull skin. Speaking of brightening dull skin, the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Fix Concentrate Booster has the 1-2 punch of powerhouse ingredients, vitamin C and niacinamide. Together, these ingredients protect our skin from environmental stressors like UV rays and light pollution while noticeably brightening it as well. This is another one that ranks high for me because it's helpful for all skin types. Last but not least, we have a niacinamide product designed to treat acne. This is the COSRX Niacinamide 15 Serum. In addition to fighting off those pesky pimples, this serum diminishes blemishes while minimizing oil production and tightening up those pores. If you're dealing with clogged pores and acne, this is going to be one of the best products for your needs. Niacinamide truly is a must-have ingredient for any skincare routine, and there are a ton of different products to choose from. Whether you have dry, acne-prone, or dull skin, there's a way to incorporate niacinamide into your routine. If you're looking to maximize the effectiveness of your niacinamide serums, we've got you covered. Say hello to Buttah Gel Cream and COSRX Vitamin E Sunscreen, a dynamic duo that's here to take your complexion to new heights. First up, we have the Buttah Gel Cream, a lightweight and oil-free hydrator that's chock full of skin-loving nutrients. This incredible moisturizer works hand in hand with your niacinamide serum, helping to lock in all those skin-enhancing benefits while providing a healthy dose of hydration. The result? Smooth, supple skin that's ready to take on the world. Next, let's talk about COSRX Vitamin E Vitalizing Sunscreen, because protecting your skin from the sun is just as important as nourishing it. This silky, non-sticky sunscreen not only shields your skin from harmful UV rays, but also has powerful antioxidants that help defend against environmental stressors. When used in tandem with your niacinamide serum, this SPF 50 sunscreen ensures that all of those hard-earned brightening and anti-aging benefits stay put, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. While niacinamide is a great skincare ingredient, it may not work for everyone or be the best fit for certain skin concerns. If you're looking for alternatives to niacinamide, there are plenty of other effective skincare ingredients out there. One great option is retinol, which is a form of vitamin A that can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and sun damage. Retinol is a powerful ingredient that should be used with care, so it's important to start with a low concentration and gradually work your way up. The Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum is a great option for incorporating retinol into your routine. Another option is vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to brighten and even out the skin tone. The Sunburst C+ Superfruit Serum from Relevant is one of my favorites because not only is it full of brightening ingredients like vitamin C and E, it's also silky and smooth. It's such a low-effort addition to a skincare routine, but it can make a big difference. If you're dealing with acne-prone skin, salicylic acid is a great alternative to niacinamide. Using the Murad Clarifying Cleanser will help to exfoliate your skin and unclog pores, which can help to prevent breakouts. If you're looking for a natural alternative to niacinamide, consider incorporating tea tree oil into your routine. This is an essential oil that has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and heal the skin. The Baybody Tea Tree Serum is my go-to because it doesn't have a ton of filler ingredients. While niacinamide products can work wonders for your skin, it's important to remember that they're just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to achieving your best complexion. Thanks for tuning into our episode about niacinamide. We hope you learned a lot about this powerful skincare ingredient and how it can benefit your skin. From addressing issues like acne and hyperpigmentation to improving texture and tone, niacinamide is truly a must-have in any skincare routine. If you still have questions about what works best for your skin type or want to get guidance on what other longer-term skincare solutions you should try, stop into JCPenney Beauty. Their beauty experts will help you choose ideal products for your skin and lifestyle. And also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. Make sure to ring the bell so you can get the best skincare information right as it comes. We'd also love to hear about your skincare routine, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.